Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel, and I am here to do an unboxing and demo of the Griffin Finishing School Salon Nouveau craft box. I purchased this box on HSN a couple of weeks ago, November 2020, for $50. It is part of the Griffin Finishing School, which I think is a subscription service. So typically Griffin always gives you the idea sheet with instructions, and then the box contains embellishments. So I will open this up so you can see a few of them. Some of them have gold foil, some of them are just flowers. So these make excellent card toppers. Off to the side. A few more. Then it has the sentiments for card toppers, and all of these go together, so it just makes it really easy when you want to make a card design. Life is good with a friend like you. For my dear friend, thinking of you. I treasure you. A couple of those I remove the label on. So happy you're my friend, and so forth. So these are different colors and gold foiled. Butterfly flower. Then next we have the card bases. So I will flip through these so you can take a look at them. Looks like 3 of each. Here's green with the gold foil. Pink and white. Oh, that one's pretty. Pink, white, and green. And then these are card layers. Flip through these quickly. Green, blue, and another pink. Then she includes a stack of gold layers and envelopes. And then also the embossing folder. And the die. So there's the shadow layer and the die, the middle piece, and then there's also a square die. So what I like to do at this point is just do a quick demo, and I will just demo one of the ideas that she's provided us. This one right here. You are simply dazzling. And I have my pieces pulled out already. Let's just make a little space. I will again use the Empress Mini for this. And so as far as layers go, I have a pink layer, a gold layer. These are from the kit. Then another pink layer from my stash, and a gold layer from my stash. So I will get started. It looks like the first one is the embossing folder in gold. So now I have the gold piece with the frame for the shadow layer of the gold, and because of the size of this die, I had to run it through the Gemini Midi instead of the Empress Mini. So let's start layering these pieces up. So we have our first 2 layers, the pink and the gold. Our next layer is this die. In pink. So I will create the Empress sandwich with the A plate, cardstock, metal, shim, and then another A plate. Magnetic shim, and then another A plate. Let's give that a little nudge. Clean up some of the excess. So that is our next layer. Then looking at the picture, she has green flower layers. So I've already gone through and pulled those out like this. And Anna Griffin was so kind that she puts tape on the back of these for us. So that makes it nice and easy. So we will start putting these down. It's pretty even. So before I go forward, I think I want to attach these layers out of tape. Not sure what I did right there. Scratched it up. Okay, then pop this back in place. The next layer, you'll see there is a pink circle, a pink square and a gold on top of it. So we'll do the pink shadow layer. This is pearlized pink cardstock from Crafter's Companion. So now we'll do the gold layer, and for this we're going to cut into the cardstock. So I want the gold, the die, and then the cardstock on top. That off and brush off the excess. Just use the tool to pop that out. You can see we have a little excess. This is a metallic or matte gold from Crafter's Companion that really matches what Anna Griffin has in her kit almost perfectly. So let's go back to our picture. And this is our next layer, so we'll secure that. Still see some paper I need to get out. So we are just about done. We're all done with our die cutting. So let's lay in the next layer. Okay, and now we will just do the top embellishments. So next she has this layer. So nice that these already have tape on the back. And her sentiment. And then these flowers go around. So I'll just secure those and we are done. She has the flowers facing each other, and I have flower, leaf, flower kind of alternating, so whatever your preference is. And there you have it, a finished card from the Griffin Salon Nouveau kit. This is the Griffin Finishing School Salon Nouveau craft box, available on hsn.com or as part of the Griffin Finishing School, which is a subscription service. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will continue to do demos and unboxings. Thank you.